Meaning of egret.
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 Egret. Egret refers to any of several species of large, long-legged wading birds in the heron family, known for their distinctive plumage and graceful appearance. These birds typically have white or gray feathers, long necks, and long, pointed bills that they use to catch fish and other small creatures in shallow water. Egrets are found in marshes, wetlands, and other aquatic habitats around the world, and are often admired by birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts for their striking beauty and unique behavior. A symbol of grace and elegance, the egret has become an iconic bird in many cultures around the world.